Hi, I'm Pranav. I'm going to represent my project named Worship Service Tracker. It is a worship related web based platform for worship management. It has 5 useful modules. The main purpose of this project is to check the income of a religious institution and manage that income generated in a religious institution. We have 5 modules. They are Pilgrim, Admin, Institution, Income Tax, Archaeology. Now I'm going to log in as a pilgrim. Actually, every module need a better password and user ID for login. But as a demonstration purpose, I'm logging as a simple. I'm logging with a simple user ID and password. This is the interface of a pilgrim. You firstly reach here. You can see a wallpaper and other functionalities and all the interface right here. In the left hand corner, you can see the functions of the Pilgrim modules. Uh, Let me begin. First of all, we have a profile. You can see the profile picture here. It is a sample profile, and we are using this profile to see who is a who is the pilgrim and his or her basic details. There is another function for uh, edit the profile. So right here you can see what are the fields for editing. The design is a little bit problematic, but I will I will sort it in a few days. So please consider it. Today I'm going to check what are the editing functionalities. Right now we can see uh, here the person's name is here Shambhu L. As a demo, I am going to change his name as Shambhu S. Yes, it is working. The name is changed from Shambhu L to Shambhu S. All these fields can be changeable. Here you can see the password and confirm password. Right now there is a placeholder. I'll remove it later. You can add the password and change it to new password. By adding a password and confirming the password, you can change the password. I'm not discussing this module too much because it is common module. You can see all the web-based platform this kind of thing. I'm going to show what the real thing I have to represent for you. This is the core of the project. This is the religious institution. These are the core of this module. Sorry, not the project. This is the core of this module. You can see all the registered religious institutions right here. If you want to see a religious institution right here, there are a, there are too many steps. First of all, the religious institution want to register uh, from the landing page. You have seen the landing page before. From the landing page, you can register or log in. We choose the login and reach right here, the place for pilgrims. The pilgrims can see this. religious institutions, there are some options. This select option means if you are interested to visit this place, you can select that place and book your visiting. That is one functionality of the Pilgrim module. Let's check it. Here you can see uh, the basic data are filled already. I set um, the data. I set the values from the database as values of this input box. So you don't even type or uh, do anything for to fill these text boxes. The only thing you have to do is that to add your date. You can see you can choose any date before the present day. Today is 24th April 2024, so I'm choosing this date and I'm choosing a time. This is the time which you are wishing to visit. Right now there are a lot of time for a demo. I'm choosing 4:53:54 as a time. Here you can see the amount. The amount is fixed by the religious institution. They can fix the rate for visitors to pre-book. Right now you have doubt. Our religious institution not taking any rate for visiting. Actually, that is correct. Our religious institution are not taking any rate for the visiting. But in this case, this is a booking website. So if you are if you want more privilege in your religious institution while you are visiting, you need to pay some amount. So that's why here you can see an amount. I'm going to book this place. Right now I'm booked for the temple and its name is Vel Muruga Temple and all basic addresses are here. If you want to check it right now, let's log in as Vel Muruga Temple. I will show it later. Now I'm going to discuss all the functionalities of the Pilgrim module. So let's check it later. The other functionality is donate. Here you can see the donate. I'm going to donate for this first temple. There are two type of donations: online donation and offline donation. Now we are dealing with the online donation. The online donation is exclusive for the pilgrims. So I'm doing that thing. In the case of online donation, you can see the same type of interface before I used for the registration of my institution's visit. So let's do the same type of steps. I choose a date, then I choose the time. That means which time I will pay that amount or when I'm going to pay that amount for the institution. There is another option than the paying a cash amount. You can even spend some precious things like precious pictures or instruments using in religious institution or any wealth like golden chain or silver chain or things for the decoration of the institution, etc. For those who are wishing to spend something for that kind of stuff, there is a place, the material. You can fill all these places. Now I'm going to uh, spend some. Sorry, I'm going to donate some cash. Even you are wishing to donate something, uh, some matter, you can fill that thing, but you want to fill the amount. How much worth a thing have? So you have to fill that amount here. Now I'm going to pay a cash, so I don't need to fill all the unwanted fields. I'm donating 1,000 rupees. So I proceed. You can see the last thing here. This is the thing I have uh, spent as money, and the interface is little bit problematic. I will correct it later. Here you can see the ID. The ID is not required, so is for I put it for the checking purpose. I will remove it later. Please cooperate. And I have forgot for to check the same kind of interface for booking. I'll show you that thing. Uh, the list. Here you can see the list of the booking. The last one is the registration I have done before. Okay, I will correct some problems right here. There are too much registration, so I have registered many times before, so I will correct it later. The other feature is preaching. Preaching means classes. There are so many preachers in our temple, mosque, and church. They speak too many good ideas and thoughts. So, if a religious institute want to conduct a preaching, they can add a thing on their interface, and the pilgrim can view that preaching time, date, all the stuffs. Right here, you can see a person named Ashok is conducting a preaching. Some suppose he will be a monk or a enlightened person. So he is conducting a preaching on this date in a religious institution. I have selected it before, and the time you can see right here, the date, the starting date, the ending date, the starting time, and the days, the number of days, and other details. I have given random data. If I give good data, you can see something better. And other thing is festival. Festival is the most important thing in a religious institution that make a religious institution as it. So you can see the festival and festival related events. It is an additional feature. Actually, it is an additional feature, but I used it for more user satisfaction. Means pilgrim satisfaction. You can see the festival right here. This is the festival This is a festival, and you can see the events of festivals. And then you can see the photos of religious institutions. The extra feature for a pilgrim is he or she can add their photos in this web platform, and even they can see the picture approved by the religious institutions. The These are the pictures I have posted before, and these things only visible after the approval of the institution. That means the religious institution. Now I'm going to add a new picture. This is the interface for adding a picture. You can upload a photo from your computer. Now I'm going to add a photo. These are some photos. I am just adding a photo from here. I choose my photo. I choose my photo and selected the religious institution uh, and saved it. Right now the photo is saved. But you can't see it here. If you want to see it here, you need the approval of religious institution. The last but not least, the review. It is a feature for Pilgrim. The Pilgrim can add the review for the religious institutions. This is the interface for adding reviews. Here you can see, you can select, first of all you want to select the religious institution, and you can see its location, an email ID and phone number. You can add more fields here. Now just add some kind of important fields. This is the place where you add your reviews and you will post it. You can add your rating also. The maximum number of rating is 6 stars. You can give the rating. I'm just giving 4 star. Actually 5 stars. Sorry. There is actually 5 star is the higher rating. Now I'm giving 4 star and I'm adding my review. Done. I have add my review. You can see it here. I have add good moments. You can see it here after refreshing. Yes, that's it. Right here you can see the reviews. There are another reviews added by another pilgrims. Actually, these reviews are the thing that motivate other pilgrims to visit a religious institution. So it is a plus point for this web-based application for religious transaction management. We will check the other modules later. Thank you.